Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So this video will be on the vacancy in the Vice President's office and powers and function of Vice President. So let's get started. So first let me explain about the powers and function of the Vice President. First is Vice President is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Secondly, he also discharges the duties and function on behalf of the President. So in absence of President, Vice President used to discharge the function of the President or the duties of the President. Thirdly, he can act for maximum period of 6 months. Okay, means he can act as on behalf of President maximum period of 6 months. And though he is the chairman of Rajya Sabha, he draws salary as a chairman of Rajya Sabha as fixed by the Parliament. So whatever amount he is going to draw in the form of salary, that is going to be fixed by the Parliament. Now the vacancy in Vice President's office. So basically vacancy means when the position of the position of the Vice President will become vacated, okay, will get vacated. So it may happen like the tenure we have already read in the last video, like the tenure of Vice President is 5 years. So whenever the Vice President will be appointed, he is going to continue his duty for consecutive 5 years. So on the expiry of 5 years, either he can be removed or re-elected. So vacancy will definitely is going to arise on expiry of this tenure of 5 years. Next is vacancy may arise if the Vice President don't want to continue his job. So he can resign any time from his position, but the condition is the resignation letter, whatever he is going to give, it should be addressed to the President. By resignation also the vacancy may arise in the Vice President's office. Next is on his removal. So this also we have read, like he can be removed. If the Vice President is removed, then of course the vacancy is going to arise. So removal, there also we have read there are two conditions, at least 14 days before he should get the notice of the removal, and secondly he can be removed by the Rajya Sabha. So majority of absolute majority, we called it like total members of Rajya Sabha is 245. So at least half of this member should vote for the notice of removal, then only he can be removed from his position. Next is by his death, definitely, okay. And lastly, disqualification otherwise. So already we have read the meaning of disqualification under law means if the person become insolvent, if he becomes insolvent, or if he becomes unsound mind person, or if he is convicted under the court of law, by court of law, or moral turpitude, or lastly maybe if he acts against the public policy. So basically disqualification meaning is same almost in law, okay. So if this disqualification definition or the meaning of disqualification applies on him, then definitely he is going to he needs to vacate his office, and he will be vacated or he will be removed if he becomes disqualified, or if he gets disqualified, then of course he will be getting the notice that please vacate your seat. So this is all about the vacancy in Vice President's office.